We did make it to 98 degrees when normally this time of year the high should be at about 94. The record though 108, that was set back in 1980, and of course we've been rain free. Tomorrow is the next World Cup game at Dallas Stadium. It's going to be Ivory Coast versus Norway, and it's going to be hot. Kickoff is at noon. Before that, 10 o'clock, temperatures already in the mid 80s. At noon, temperatures will climb into the low 90s, and by 3 o'clock I think we're at about 96 degrees. We're going to have lots of sun and it will be a little breezy. In the meantime, this is our trend tower camera in Rockwall. We do have lots of sun, a little bit of haze from that Saharan dust. Temperatures in the mid 90s, but the heat index is still over 100 degrees. We're at 97 in Denton, 95 in McKinney, 98 in Fort Worth, 95 degrees in Terrell. But after factoring in that humidity, it still feels like 102 degrees in Denton. It feels like 102 in Fort Worth, and it feels like 104 right now in Corsicana. Satellite and radar very quiet. We've had mostly clear skies all day today. Now eventually late this evening and overnight, I think we're going to start to see a few more high clouds move in, but that's really not going to be until well after midnight. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're doing it all over again. Plenty of sunshine, plenty of heat and humidity though, and a breeze coming in out of the south. So tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting a high of about 98 degrees in Dallas, 97 in Fort Worth, 96 in Denton, and about 96 tomorrow also in Canton. At 98 degrees, that would put us at 4 degrees above normal. Tomorrow, 98, but by Wednesday, we're going up a little bit more. 99 on Wednesday. By Thursday, I think that's the day that we could see that first 100-degree day of the year. That would put us at 6 degrees above normal, but the heat index climbing to over 100, in between about 100 to 103. On Friday, though, 101 degrees. Now we start to back off, not by much, just a degree, though, on Saturday for the 4th of July. But you can tell there's a big temperature difference, 95 degrees. It's quite a nice difference. Only if we can keep those rain chances in the forecast. But right now, the coverage doesn't look all that great. Now, things can change. We're still several days away, so we'll fine tune it as we get closer. But for now, that next chance of rain, not until Sunday. So for tonight, mostly clear, warm, humid, and breezy. We're dropping down into the upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, but it's going to be hot and it's going to be humid. We're expecting that high of 98 degrees, but 99 on Wednesday, 100 degrees on Thursday. We've got that next World Cup game on Friday, but high of 101 degrees. 4th of July, it's still going to be hot. We start to notice a few more clouds move in, and it's still going to be a little breezy at times. Now on Sunday, clouds increase. We actually do have that chance of rain and storms, but we're keeping the coverage pretty low as of right now. That would help to bring those temperatures down at least by several degrees. So we've got mid 90s for Sunday and Monday, the second half of the 14-day. Good news is we don't have any triple digits in the forecast for that second half of the 14-day, but we still have plenty of heat, mid and upper 90s. That's normal for this time of year. We also have at least a couple of days in there where we are still seeing at least a chance of a little rain.